In this video, I'm going to show you how you can park a domain on Hostinger. Go to your H panel, and if you scroll down, you will see your website. So in order to park a domain, you will need a hosting plan, and then find your website which you want to park domains to and click on Dashboard. Now, once you have selected Dashboard, then here from the left hand side, you will see domains. Click on this button to expand it, or this menu, and the second option is going to be Park Domains. Select Park Domains, and here you will see the limit of domains which you can park, which are basically going to be domains which you don't use. You will type your domain name right here, and after you click on Park, then that is going to park your domain to your current custom domain on Hostinger. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.